So we're on our way to see the same shoulder doctor that Sarah went to because her surgeries went so well, and I've had 2 surgeries on mine and I'm still in constant pain. So we'll see what this guy has to say. So I went to the shoulder doctor and he was basically like, I'm not really sure what would be causing that. My main go-to if you had the slap repair would be to do the bicep tenonesis, which is where they detach my bicep tendon and reroute it subpectorally. And he's like, well, since that didn't work, let's send you in for an MRI again with contrast so I can see for myself what's going on in there. And we'll also order you a cortisone shot in the joint, an X-ray cortisone shot. So that's what I went and did today, was the cortisone shot, because they didn't have my MRI stuff in yet. And so they numb the area and then they go in by X-ray and they like, see, I can't even move that. They go in the front and they numb the area. They go in by X-ray and they inject it into your bone. So that was all fine and dandy, but first they numb it, and so that's why it was all fine and dandy. And they were like, it might take like 2 weeks for the cortisone shot to kick in and you to start seeing pain relief. So, but in the meantime, the numbing has worn off, and now I feel just absolutely terrible in this shoulder. It hurts so stinking much. I can't even describe it. It's like it feels like dislocated, but it's not. It feels like it needs to pop, but it doesn't. It's just like right in the middle of my shoulder blade, like right in, like where the socket is in the joint is where all the pain is, and it is so excruciating. I feel like I can't, for one, just like live normally without pain, and then if I try to move it, it takes a lot of thought and a lot of effort to be able to move it. So yeah, that's my life right now. Hopefully though, in a few weeks, or hopefully sooner, the cortisone will kick in, and that is supposed to help with the pain. But I'm super exhausted. I started rewatching the Matrix movies in preparation for the Matrix coming out tomorrow. So yeah. Oh, and then tomorrow I get to go in and have this lump on the back of my head looked at. You guys can't see it. There's like a lump right here, and then there's another lump over here, and this lump used to be the size of this lump, and this lump didn't used to be there, and this lump now is huge. So it's almost like the size of I guess it's probably about that big. And I get a lot of headaches from it. So tomorrow I'm going to the dermatologist to get that checked out while my shoulder feels like crap. And it's early in the morning, so I gotta go to sleep. But wish me luck.